Hello everyone, in this video we will understand the different kinds of numbers so that you can easily solve the questions in simplification and approximation. So these are basic concepts for number system and from the number system. So I think you all know all these concepts. But here let's have a quick review of all these numbers so that you will be able to solve questions in all these concepts and which will be useful for your competitive exams. So here let's see what are different kinds of numbers we have. Natural numbers. What do you know about the natural numbers? Natural numbers are the numbers which can be counted, or how you count from 1 to 3 to so on. These are the natural numbers. So in this we have a different kinds like even, odd, prime, co-prime and composite. So what is even? Even means any natural number which is divisible by 2 should give a remainder of 0. So any number which is divisible by 2, those numbers are even. 2, 4, 6. These are divisible by 2 and gives a remainder 0 when it is divisible by 2. And what is an odd number? Odd number is a number which is divisible. When it is divisible by 2, it has to give a remainder of 1. So that numbers are odd numbers like 1, 3, 5. It gives a remainder of 1. What are the prime numbers? Prime numbers are the numbers which can be divisible by itself and 1. Those numbers are prime numbers like 2, 3, 5, 7. These are the prime numbers. So what are the co-prime numbers? Co-prime numbers are the numbers which are having only one as its factor. There will be no common factor in that two numbers. So that are co-prime numbers. For example, let's take 39, 29. These two are co-prime numbers. So it has only one as its a common factor. So then this is the co-prime numbers. So and it should have no other common factor except 1. And what are composite numbers? The composite numbers which are divisible by another number also. So that are numbers like 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 and etc. These numbers are composite numbers which has 1 as its common factor, and also other numbers are also its factors. So then that numbers are composite numbers. What are whole numbers? Whole numbers which are 0, 1, 2, 3. So it includes 0 with the natural numbers. That numbers are whole numbers. What is integers? Integers are the mix of whole numbers plus negative natural numbers like -3, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2, so +3 and so on. So it has a whole numbers and negative natural numbers. Those numbers are integer. What are the rational numbers? Rational numbers are the numbers which are in the form of p by q. So a number, if you take it, it should have a p by q form. Then it's in a natural number. It's in a rational number. So here, for example, if you take 3 by 5, 3 by 6, it's in the form of p by q. So it's a rational number. What if you take -2? It's also a natural number. It's also a rational number because you can express this in the form of -2 by 1. That means in the form of p by q you are expressing. So it is a rational number. Where if you take it, that's it, and like these numbers will be rational. Let's say the other numbers like the rational numbers. So these are Irrational numbers are the numbers which are non-terminating and non-recurring. Those numbers are called irrational numbers. For example, if you take under root 2, then you have its decimal form is 1.414, so it's non-terminating, right? So this number is an 414, you will get like this. So it's a non-terminating, it's not terminating, you are getting um, on further division, so that's why it's an irrational number. If you take a non-recurring means it will not repeat, but it divides. So on every division you get different number, so that's why those numbers are called as an irrational numbers. For example, if you take under root 3, you will get 732 like that. So it's not a repeating, so non-reoccurring, you are not getting the number that you got before, you're getting different number, so it's a non-recurring and it's non-terminating. That's why it's are called rational numbers. What are real numbers? Real numbers are the numbers which includes a rational and an irrational, right?